guys, hold on. You can't be in there. I'm Ariana, and this is the first time you all have seen my sister in my videos.
She's been in a lot of my videos.
Yeah, she makes videos too, and this is the first time you all have seen her.
Is called Melina Let.
Yeah, and this is the first time she's been in one of my videos, so let's get started.
We're just going to be making random foods like Shopkins.
Yes, Shopkins
like
foods.
This is what I'm doing. I'm just doing
She's
this.
making some of this yummy, tasty food, like there, and see here, put it in the camera, and like that food right there. And I'm gonna be doing food and drinks as well, so
I'll
yeah,
just be doing food.
let's get baking. Yeah. This is food. We dropped some food, and now I'm gonna show y'all how we bake. So this is our Dream oven.
And we have all this
So
stuff.
this is where I put my food in. And ding ding, oh my gosh, you guys. Look how delicious it looks. Look how delicious. Oh my gosh, you guys. It looks so, you have to like do this, Melina, to get it like in there. Do that. Oh, look how delicious it looks. It's so, let's take it to the queen. Your Majesty, we got you something to eat. The Majesty is not here right now, but I got her something. We're gonna pretend I'm like, oh, some orange juice. So let's go cook her some orange juice.
Guys, I just cooked her some beautiful foods.
She didn't get it in the camera. Get in the camera.
Foods.
Foods is another word for food. So right now I'm making a little smoothie.
Eat up, girl. Eat up.
And now I have to cook it. Where's that table? I lost my table, y'all. I lost my table.
It's right here.
Where's my table? Oh! I lost
in
my
front of your
table, but then I got it. So now I'm gonna cook this.
Now I'm gonna cook some breadsticks.
So right now I'm cooking this on my oven.
Guys, by the way, we don't know her name. Leave in the comments down below if you know her name.
She's from season 1, and I think it's something like to do with breadsticks or like something. So I don't know what it does, like something to do with
Cooking
breadsticks.
some of these sweets. This.
Right now I'm cooking a muffin, and yeah, so let's cook it.
And I'm gonna be cooking some of these and all these yummy treats.
And right now I'm cooking this delicious little muffin right here. Ding ding, it's ready. Let's see how it turns out. Let's see how it turns out.
Guys, if you hear that in the background, it is Cookie Roasty.
Yeah, it's on our TV, and I'm gonna show y'all it.
Hey, yeah, it's dripping with like slime.
Here it
but
is.
Still, open your eyes. It's the fungus fries, man.
And that's our
Next to the
TV.
burger.
That's why y'all hear, cause it's in our background. Cause we wanna have more voices in here.
Here's my new favorite.
So this is my muffin that turned out. Look how delicious it turned out. Let's feed it to the queen. Here you go. Okay, guys, I want to tell y'all a joke. Y'all know that this is breadhead. Y'all know that this is gingerbread, but we call it breadhead. But it's really gingerbread, but we call it breadhead. So yeah, I'm gonna cook it. Whoop whoop.
Shake it.
Did you see how crazy she did?
Shake it. Oh, freak.
Okay, she's nuts right now. She's going nuts right now.
I am not.
Hey, don't you snap your fingers at me. We're about to do a fight, so I'll be right back, and the fight will be over. I'm back. Finally, I'm back. And this is gingerbread.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna be cooking this tweet.
Big tweet. Sorry, guys, I got a little funny with that. There she is. This is probably gonna be a long video. Whoop, whoop. Sorry. I got accidentally. I'm cooking right now some bread.
I'm gonna cook this wonderful one. Wonderful.
Okay, I'm gonna cook some breadsticks. Do y'all know this name? It's a season 1, and it's
We
some
already
kind
said that.
of. It's some kind of breadstick. They couldn't see it up close. It's something to do with breadsticks. Do y'all know what it is? Leave us in the comments below. I'm gonna cook her some wobbles.
Ouch. I'm using this. And now I'm using this. Here you go. And now I'm going to be using this. And now I'm going to be using sugar. Now we'll be using Ariana. You're going in my food. You're going in my...
No, you're going in your food.
Let me just be done with that. And your drink is going to be on fire.
Ah! My drink. Ah! Yeah. Something bad happened. Though. Where the shop can go?
Shopkin fell because you do my special.
We're good crazy today. Ding ding. Now it's ready.
Guys, she's getting fat, so I'm just going to give her this.
She's getting fat. And I'm gonna give her some of these. Let's get started. She's fat, y'all.
Started.
She's fat, y'all. Look, she's fat. Yes, you are. You gotta put that in my face.
Alright, let's start making
Okay, guys. Show the camera. Show the camera.
I can't. Okay.
It's a puking pumpkin. This one?
Your gap is bigger than your head.
Come on, out.
You guys, I'm running away. Oh.
Your gap. I said your gap is bigger than.
I said that she's fat. Right now we're at my mom's bedroom. And we're watching.
Now I'm about to make
To go away. This is my mom. Y'all remember her from my other videos. So now let's go cooking. Whoop whoop.
Now it's another bark biscuit. Alright, that is a match from
What are you
Elsa's
doing?
heart.
making a video.
Making your own video?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna have to end this video now.